Today on Power Rangers, the Rangers and their friends win the grand prize at the annual Oddball Games.
Stupendous! We won the Noble Lion Trophy.
A lion trophy? I'll show him a lion trophy.
Rita and Goldar plot to transform the trophy into a ferocious monster. Can the Rangers withstand this weather-controlling lamb in lion's clothing? Find out next on the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
After 10,000 years, I'm free. It's time to conquer Earth.
Alpha, Rita's escape. Recruit a team of teenagers with attitudes.
What's wrong, Angela? You can't keep up? Come on, hop to it, hop to it.
Come on, sweetie.
You can do it. All right. All right, settle down. The red team wins. Yeah. But there's a tie between the red and the blue team in terms of points. Now, final event, the tug of war. Winning team will receive the coveted Noble Lion Trophy. All right, everybody, man your positions.
We are gonna whip you good, Jason.
Give it your best shot, Bulk. Hey, Angela, you want to defect over to the winning side? The Zack man saved a special place just for you.
Dream on!
Yeah, right, Zack man. Angela knows which side the real men are on. Yeah, the real men.
So, a lion trophy? I'll show him a lion trophy.
Of course, my queen. Go don the Stormbringer. The Earth and those Power Rangers will be destroyed for good.
On the count of three, I'll blow the whistle. All right, let's do it, Jace.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
That trophy's mine, buzzard brat. Prepare to eat mud.
Here to eat your words, Bulk.
Put an end to this! No! Time to teach us to the law of physics.
All right, keep working your words all together. Now!
Stupendous! We won the Noble Lion Trophy. Jamorama! Excuse me, miss. May I be of some assistance?
You're just loving this, aren't you?
Zack's face when he hit the mud?
How about poor Mr. Kaplan?
Well, once again, teamwork has proven most effective against our adversaries.
Hey, Ernie's gonna get a big kick out of the Noble Lion Trophy.
Hey, you guys, speaking of the trophy.
Hey, the trophy's gone. Oh, man, I bet Bulk and Skull has something to do with this.
Come on, we cannot let them get away with it.
Well, this is a decidedly large expanse to cover.
Let's split up.
Okay, I'll go with you, Jace.
Come on. Those goody-goodies think they're so smart.
But not smart enough to keep the prize.
Our trophy's getting away!
Those two bumblers won't get far, my queen. I'll send down a horde of putties to keep those power bats away.
If you were Bulk and Skull, where would you go?
Ugh, don't even mention such a horror.
Billy, look out! Headed your way! Man, that was weird. I wonder what Rita's up to now.
We should go find Kimberly and Jason. Come on.
Hey, watch it, dog boy.
What is your badness up to?
Silence, you fool! You'll break your concentration!
She's casting a spell
Yes!
to turn your lion trophy into the dread monster Gotan.
Scabs, weasels, moons of Cryon, make me a monster. Half goat, half lion.
I'm warning you.
Insolent fools, take that.
Too bad about the trophy.
Hey, we don't need a trophy to know that we're winners.
Yeah.
Hey, don't look now, but your dream diva is headed our way.
Ask her out again, Zack?
She's a babysaurus, but I gave up on Angela a long time ago.
Gave up, huh?
Hey, Zack. How about you and me catching a matinee or something?
Don't call me. I'll call you.
Way to go, Zack man.
Ay, ay, ay.
What is it, Alpha?
Everything's suddenly gone haywire.
This disturbance is familiar. I believe Rita has summoned forth her lion goat to attack Angel Grove. Summon the Power Rangers, for Gotan the lion goat brings with it terrible storms.
Ay, 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 ay!
If Gotan is allowed to control the weather, the entire Earth will be imperiled.
Ooh, this weather's particularly precarious.
The storm is just raging outside. It came out from nowhere.
We're in a tornado watch. I just heard it on the news. Everyone, let's head for the basement.
Guys, I don't like the looks of this.
Something tells me this isn't Mother Nature at work.
Sounds like Rita if you ask me.
We read you, Zordon. What's up?
Rita has unleashed another of her monsters. You must teleport to the command center at once.
Zack's not with us.
Alpha will contact him from here. Hurry, Rangers.
All right, guys. Ready for teleportation.
Rangers, we have a dire situation on our hands. Rita has used your noble lion trophy to summon evil Gotan, the lion goat.
So that's what happened to the trophy.
Yes, observe the viewing globe.
Whoa. Man, that dude is bad news.
Gotan has the power to create blizzards, tornadoes, and even hurricanes to destroy the world. This creature must be stopped quickly.
Alpha, have you managed to contact Zack yet?
No luck yet. I can't understand why he's not responding. I'll try again.
Maybe I will.
It's chilly in here. Feels like winter.
It'll be dangerous.
It's not that cold.
What are you waiting for? Are we going or not?
All right. But put your coat on.
Alpha will continue trying to raise Zack. You four must go ahead and battle Gotan. Good luck, Rangers.
All right. It's Morphin time!
Pterodactyl!
Triceratops!
Saber-tooth tiger!
Tyrannosaurus!
Lunch!
All right, enough is enough.
You have no power to match mine, Cutie Ranger. Go ahead and try it.
Kimberly! I'll teach this furball some manners. Right now! Let's get it!
You see, Power Rangers, you cannot win. Now to finish you.
Had enough, you pathetic weaklings!
Nothing can save you now, Power Rangers.
The Rangers are gone forever!
Two heads are better than one!
At last, the end of the Power Rangers is at hand!
But I want to see.
No, I can't let you. If you try, I'll... I asked you, but you wouldn't listen.
What's that?
Nothing. It was my popcorn alarm. Save my seat. I'll be right back.
Hello, City Desk. I'd like to report a crime. Well, what if I told you it involved a certain young starlet?
Iriji, what's up?
Zack, the Rangers need your help. They've been trapped inside a tornado by Gotan, Rita's evil Chimera monster.
I'm on the job. Man, this Chimera monster's gonna pay. It's Morphin time.
Mastodon!
Oh, man! Hey, Furball!
So, Black Ranger, you're here!
Man, you are one messed up looking cat.
It's Zack! Just in time!
Oh, you're gonna pay big time for messing with my friends, and especially for messing up my date.
You're all tough, Ranger!
And you're all through! That ought to change your minds, Gotan. Both of them.
What's the matter with you, huh? Grow, Gotan,
grow! Our problem just got bigger, guys! We need dinosaur power, now!
Power up, guys. Let's do it.
Right!
Medical sequence has been initiated. Vector activated.
Motor controls are frozen.
Glad to see you cooled off, Rangers. Now for the icing on the cake.
I can still move the left tread. Maybe we can spin this baby. Let's finish him off. Bring on the power sword.
Let's get the job done.
Oh, those wretched Rangers give me such a headache!
Gotan was obviously unworthy, my queen.
I swear to you, we'll be back!
Congratulations on a job well done, Rangers. I regret your trophy was destroyed.
That's all right. We don't need a trophy to prove that we're winners. Right, Jason?
Right, bro.
Another happy ending.
Oh, no.
Zack, what's wrong?
Speaking of happy endings, I left Angela sitting back at the theater. If I don't get back before the curtain goes down, it's gonna be curtains for me. I'm out of here. See ya.
Oh, Charles, I'm so glad you didn't give up. You saved me, you know.
Yeah, well, just lucky, I guess. What are you gonna do now?
I thought I'd take a nice long cruise to someplace quiet.
That's great.
Sorry. There's a long line.
Want some company?
I thought you'd never ask.
So, what do you think of 4
Charles, you're so silly.
What do you think? Does it brighten up the place? Excuse me. I'm trying to find out if anybody can positively identify these two gentlemen.
Identify them? Sure. Aren't they the swamp creatures from the Black Lagoon?
Come on, guys. Don't you recognize us? It's us, your friends. Bulk and Skull?
Unfortunately, officer, we do know them.
That's more like it. Hey, hold on. Hey, I feel something.
That's okay. You needed a bath anyway.